Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing today? So this is going to be a super short video because I intend for this to be my last video update on this particular product. I don't want to continue to talk about it. I feel like it's just been lingering on for quite some time. And the reason being is because I wanted to make sure that I give you guys a thorough update and my honest thoughts about this particular product. You guys who rock with me, you already know what today's video is all about by the thumbnail. But for any of you that are new tuning in, the product that I'm talking about is the Wonder Grow. And this is where I'm at with the product. Okay, you guys, so I tried my best to finish up using this product, but it's just a lot of it, and I don't use it every day anymore or every other day. I don't use it that often. This is a 12 ounce, so it is huge. It's a big container of grease. My final update on this product, I still use it, you guys. I like some of the results that I've gotten from using this particular product, but I only use it as a moisturizer to install my braids. It's very rare and in between now that I use it to just condition my scalp regularly. I prefer to use it when I install my braids. I just prefer it that way now. I do use other things now to keep my hair moisturized or to keep my scalp moisturized while wearing the braids. But again, the initial install of the braids, I do use the Wonder Grow Indian Hemp that you guys see here. I like it, and I think overall I've mentioned that to you guys throughout my journey of really going in and using this hair grease. I like it. The smell is strong, but after a couple of days it does subside. I can work through that. That does not bother me at all. So all in all, I like it. Would I recommend this hair grease? Absolutely. Gets 2 thumbs up. For me, it worked for me. It's working for me, so I give it 2 thumbs up. I do recommend it. I think I said early on in my natural hair journey, sometimes when it comes to natural hair, things are trial and error. You have to just kind of try out different things to see what works specifically for you. And this is something that might work for you. You might have positive benefits like I did, or you may decide to just use it as a hair moisturizer. And for some, you may say, hey, grease is too heavy and harsh on you, and I get it, because that's why I stopped using hair grease for quite some time. But I was inspired and I decided to give it a go again, and I like it. I like it in braids. So yes, I do highly recommend that you give it a try. It is extremely affordable. I did purchase mine online. You can find it probably in your local beauty supply store. If not, get it offline. I think I paid, I don't even remember anymore, you guys. If you're new tuning in, you definitely have to check out the very first video where I kind of just give an overall review about the product and where you can purchase it and how much I paid for it at the time. I think the price is still about the same. I don't want to quote it out to you right now because I'm not for sure. But you can definitely go and check it out. I will have down in the description box below where I purchased this product if you're truly interested, if you just want to buy it online. But I do like it. I do recommend it. What I've noticed with my braids when I install it, when I use it as a moisturizer for my hair to install my braids, it conceals my hair very nicely in the braids, as you guys can see here. So that's one of the main reasons why I really like it. And also, you guys, not only do I apply it to my hair, but I do apply it directly to my scalp. And what I found is it keeps my scalp moisturized for a couple of days, maybe even a week or two, before I have to go back in and re-moisturize my scalp with what I'm using currently, which is my Dr. Miracle. That's what I'm using currently to my scalp. So again, I love it. I love it for braids. I don't like it for spring twists. But if you're going to do original braids, singles, such as what I have here, box braids, it's good for that, in my personal opinion, in my experience. So yeah, you guys, no more of me doing a video dedicated to this product unless they want to sponsor me. Hey, but if not, I will not be talking about the Wonder Grow hemp, Indian hemp hair grease any further. I am retiring it out unless, again, they decide they want to sponsor me, or you guys want me to talk more about the Wonder Grow brand and their various hair greases that they have out there. If not, baby girl is retired, you hear me? And we gonna let her rest, and I'm gonna continue to use her until she gone. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.